What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all enjoying your day. And of course, it's end of the year, and I want to drop this video before this year ends. And this year ends with a great note that the natural gas is the winner. And I just don't say that. The results speaks itself. Now, if you say, how come we just believe you without any proofs? Of course, I want to be transparent as much as possible by giving you the exact numbers. The results, not just the results. I'm going to show you every single trade we took with the exact screenshot, with the exact timestamp, so that you can understand the power of taking your trades with right conditions, with right education, and the end results speaks itself. Now, all the way from where 2024 started. And this is 2024 all the way from this black line to this black line. And it was a bullish market all the way since 2024. If you follow me from day one, I was bullish for natural gas from the day the price hit this level. And till the price hit this zone, I was bullish. I'm not just saying that. I'm going to show you the video when I've said that the price has now turned bullish. It's going to reverse likely from here, and I'm going to also show you the video at the middle of the year where I've said that I'll be looking at this level for the price to hit for the possible reversal trades. And last month in November, price did hit this level. So first, let's see the clip when the price was here and when we took the first trade of the year. I'm going to show you the screenshot, the timestamp, and the clip so that you have no doubts. And you can tell how the real trades look like and what the real education sounds like. Not just by playing millions of ads on YouTube, forcing you to buy courses and membership. It was free for you in my YouTube videos. The priority trade alerts I've sent to the members, I'm going to show that as well. But let's see the clip first. I want to see a next candle as a bullish engulfer on this platform. If we have that, we have a good buy signal and price will likely push higher. Keep it higher, we can get a possible hit of the trend line and a possible push higher, something like this, a bullish candle, right here, a bullish candle. Awesome. So at that time, when I've said that video was recorded on 31st of December, the last day of 2023. Prepared you that look for what? A bullish candle. That time the price was here, right? So clearly said that in my YouTube videos, free for you. No ifs, no buts. For the YouTube audience, of course, I tell you, I give you what to do and what to look for. It's your job to look for that. But for the members, we had a signal formed. This was an entry formed, mentioned by YouTube. Now, for the members, let me show you the screenshot of the trade alert. Right here, that was the first trade alert of January 2024. Click here. Let me show you the info first. Get info. Now, you see here, this file was created on 3rd of January 2024 at this time. So that is proven that I've sent this before an entry has formed. Let me open the file. Right here, this was an entry pattern I was talking about. Right here, if you see, that is an entry. Right here, if you see the gaps, and then this entry has formed. Let me show you when I've sent that as an email. And right here, as you can see, NatGas trade alert was sent on 3rd of January. Screenshot A, 3rd of Jan, right here. And as you can see the time right here, a couple of minutes later, I've sent this as an alert. So everything is transparent. So we started all the way from A with a winning trade. And then after that, what do we have? And right here, where the zone was broken here, what do we have? A Fibonacci entry as well. 1.618 retracement was my target, which was at that time something like this. Now, before I move ahead, I want to show you, and after the winning trade, what do we have where I've clearly mentioned this condition. So let's see, and let's come back to this video again. This is just a process of a pullback which we have got now for aggressive traders. If we use the Fibonacci tool, as the price is now above 50 EMA, something like this, we have a hit of 50% retracement right here for aggressive trader. This is itself an entry, and take profit can be 180R, or you can manage it till 1.618 retracement. Stop loss can be below this pattern. So this is for aggressive trader. You can manage it from the 180R till 1.618 retracement. What a great start of a new year with a winning trade here on NatGas. So, perfect. So after the first winning trade, like as mentioned at the start of the 2024, started with a winning trade. Then very next video, I've said that if we are broken above, look for the pullback, and if you have a pullback entry bullish, if you follow me, you know what entry is it. That is your entry condition. Clearly mentioned at that time, free for you, not asking me to pay anything, right? And I've also mentioned the Fibonacci entry that was on Ovanda in that clip, and it also hit 1.618 retracement. So for less aggressive traders, the target would have been hit. For aggressive traders, a bigger target has been hit as well, and that is how I've been teaching you and showing you the net gas trades every single day. Now, I don't want to go through every single trade throughout the last year. It's going to make this video insanely long. But if you want to do your research, look at the timestamp of my videos, go back to the same date of the videos. All the videos are there. Watch it, do your own analysis, and then you will see that everything I'm saying here has been done exactly how I've mentioned. Now it's your job to listen that, to learn from that, look at my trade alerts, learn from that. Don't use it as signals. So now I'm going to show you the net gas results quickly here in 2023 and 2024. Now, throughout 2024, we took all these trades. Now, that is something I've just sent as an alert to the members. Out of that, we just have 2 losing trades in a whole year. I'm just talking about one strategy here. In my course, I teach multiple strategies. If you add them, the results will be insanely different. So, it is excluding the trades I mentioned every day in my YouTube videos. And I would say above 87%, my predictions has gone exactly how we predicted. Results are in front of you. Do your own research. Now here, the results are in front of you. All these trades were sent to my members. Now, I've already shown you first trade of 2024. Right here at the start of the video, that was sent here, which was exactly this trade. Right here. So that was sent on 3rd of January, but the reason I've added 2nd of January because the 4-hour candle was closed at 2nd of January. We entered right here, 3rd of January, because we entered at the better price right here. Then we have this trade sent to my members right here after the 3rd of January, and then we have 25th of January right here, 25th of January. Then we have a trade on 5th of February. Right here, pullback strategy, 5th of February. We have the trade sent on 5th of February. Then we have a next trade sent on 5th of March. Right here on 5th of March. As you can see right here, these are the files. Now, I can't edit my files in a backdates. Click here, click on info, 5th of March. That file was created right here. So, I'll click on it and I will show you right here. These were the entries that was sent before the price pushes up. Similarly, in 2023, we took some more trades right here and we just had 3 losing trades. Overall, in last 2 years, if I combine the results, we have 84.70% of the winning ratio, combining 2 years of trades. 1 year of trades, 84.62% of the winning ratio. Now, if your risk to reward ratio was good, then that would have given you insane amount of profit. So that was the result of natural gas. Only 2 losing trades throughout last year and excluding every single trade that I've mentioned. If I add all those trades again, the numbers of trades will increase dramatically. Now, let's talk about my predictions throughout 2024. So I've shown you, we started here from this buy trade, and then I've said that once the price hit this zone, we can prepare for the reversal, right? And all the way from here, I've said that in the long run, I'll be looking at this level right here where we are in today's date. So I was bullish all the way from here to here. If you have listened to my analysis every single day, I've said that if you're someone who's a long-term trader, who's trading on weekly time frame, that is your entry, and you can go all the way till here if you can afford to hold these trades for the long term. Because on a weekly time frame, we had a clear double bottom pattern all the way from here. I'm not just saying that. Right here in March, let me show you the clip on that date. Right as you can see here, it's around 18 and 17 of March. And let me go back, take you back in time right here and let me show you when I've said that price is going to hit these levels. Taken in consideration, which is on a weekly time frame. If you look here, the price already hit a rejection box of a double bottom pattern right here. On weekly time frame, we are getting this pattern. If we have a next candle as a green candle, remember this is a weekly and long term time frame, so it will take whole 1 week to get a green candle. In that case, we have a good signal that price will push up from here. So I'm also going to show you a weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, we have already hit a rejection box of double bottom. So that is why it is a likely chance that we can get a possible green candle, a weekly green candle. If that happens, if it closed next week as a weekly candle, in that case, we will have a major double bottom and price will start to reverse from here. In my previous video that this is an area where I'll be interested to take my buy trades. Otherwise, these are the minor area from where I was expecting some bounce, which we got, as you can see right here. But it is a major area from where now we are getting a possible bounce. I'm expecting a price to push up from here. And as you can see on daily time frame, if this candle closed as a green candle or possibly an engulfer, then it will be a very strong signal for a double bottom pattern. We already got a double bottom here and completed. What to expect from here? So price has nicely pushed up out of double bottom pattern, which is right here, successfully pushed up from the area of value. And price is now heading towards a level of next resistance. And as you can see, the price hit a level of major resistance. So that is why that's a minor double top pattern. Looking at that, it can be an aggressive entry as well. In that case, let's say the candle closed somewhere here. I will keep my stop loss bit above the wick and take profit 1-to-1 initially. So I will go short, but short term only. Doesn't mean that we will reverse here. It might, but I'm not expecting that. But I'm expecting some nice push down from here and then a possible push up back to my rejection zone. Awesome. But now, as I mentioned yesterday, that we have a bearish signal and I will still take an entry if we have a condition here on capital.com, and if this candle closed as a bearish engulfer, that is also your entry. And we already had this 382 candle. The current situation here, the price started the push up from here. This is just a pullback on high time frame, and I'm still looking at this major zone in the long term for the price to hit. I don't know when, but as long as the price is pushing higher without closing below this low, I'm not bearish for natural gas. But on smaller time frame, I might take multiple entries. So it will take months and weeks. But on a higher time frame, I'm still bullish for natural gas. And I've been repeating that from a couple of weeks and months. And boom, you see that? How nicely the price has been pushing higher. I've started all the way from here, then the price pulls back here, and at that time I've said that I'm looking at this level in the long term, and I don't know when, but for the long term trader, that was predicted clearly. No ifs, no buts, no confusing statements, just black or white. And I've also said that I'll be taking multiple trades on smaller time frame, which we did. If you follow me throughout the year, every single day we took some nice trades. Not every single day, but every single week we took some nice trades. It is something I've just talking about two strategies. On my YouTube audience, I talk about counter trades and a pullback trades. If you are my student, we had multiple type of strategies which you can implement on your trading and improve your return on investments. That is what you call a power of the education. My directions were straight, but I knew that in the process of a bullish momentum whole year, I've been taking some trades all the way from here, buy here, and let me go back on a daily and 4 hour. And let me sum up this video. Since the uptrend started, you see the noise on a smaller time frame. We started from here, right here. Let's do it on Oanda. Price action goes similar on all three platforms, but like I do on Oanda and Capital.com. So right here, we started all the way from here since the bullish trend started. I want to show you the entries. Right here, smaller time frame, double bottom, hit the resistance level, engulfer, buy here, sell here, buy from here, how much targets? 200 points. Sell here, what is the targets? 150 points. Then broke above this level, pullback entry bullish. Then a double top. Sell here, all the way from here. Right here, bullish engulfer, push up. Double bottom here. Then come back down, price forms a major double bottom. Right here, bought here, broke above. Then we had a pullbacks, consolidation, broke above these highs, hitting the resistance again, double top here, push down, broke above the level, aggressive entry after the zone has been broken right here. If you're someone who follow me, less aggressive entry, pullback entry here, push up, hit your target, less aggressive entry, 50% retracement, 1.618 retracement target has been hit. Again, the pullback entries in a trend right here, bullish engulfer, pushing up, invalid entry, that is fine. Right along with the trend, in between, we had pullback entry here, pullback entry bullish here, bearish engulfer counter trades, right here, sell trades, nicely hitting the targets, push back down, what used to be a support area here, aggressive entry here, pushed back up, pullback entry bullish, hit the target, came back down, and bearish trend started, bearish engulfer here, nicely pushing down, and then we hit the next level of support, bullish condition here, hit the zone, bearish condition here, come back down, bullish condition here, broke above the level, bullish conditions here, hit the next level of resistance, entry was here, push down, bearish engulfing entries below 50 EMA, push down, bullish condition here, and then eventually pushing up in a trending market all the way from here to here, bearish engulfers, double top here, bullish engulfers, bullish engulfer, the recent trades we took, bearish engulfer on a 1 hour time frame, nicely pushed down, and now we are at the current date. So I want to end this video with the last trade of the year I took and I mentioned live in my YouTube for free, and let's see what I've said. And target 1 and target 2 has been hit massively. Now the zone was already sent to the members to look for the possible buy entries. On 4 hour we already had a 1 hour entry right here, but now we are above 50 EMA and we are getting a possible entry condition. Now once this candle is closed, turns out to be a bullish engulfing pattern. In that case, we'll have a buy signal and I'll go 180 for my initial targets as usual, and then I will manage my trades to the recent highs. It's totally up to you. If you are an aggressive trader, 50% was an entry, and I'm still expecting a price to push up to this zone right here. As you can see, these numbers in blue. Awesome, so that was my last trade of the year, and let's see how it goes next year. Let's hope the next year bring some great profits as well. Now you can't say that we did not follow the rules, we did not follow the condition. Every single trade I've shown you that happens with conditions, and that is insane. That is how you make money in the market. Now if you say only 5% traders are profitable, 10% traders are profitable, yes, because they follow the rules. I don't want to be in the trade every single day. I might be taking 1 or 2 trades in a month of a nat gas, talking about just nat gas, talking about the results I've just shown you. But all these trades, if your reward to risk ratio was better, then you can see that was insanely nicely bullish market for the high time frame trader. All the way from here to here, you have made money. And the prediction also came to the light when the price started to push up here. If you are a NEMEX trader, right here, clearly mentioned all the way from here to here, from where we are now starting to see a push down, clearly mentioned in start of the year, mid of the year, and at the end of the year as well. The reason of this long video is to show you that conditions matters. I have not looked at the news. Maybe I've just looked at it for the extra confluences. That is all. But technically, you see this market run amazingly good. So let me wrap this video and let me wish you guys a happy new year. Hope you trade green next year as well. Hope you have learned something out of my videos throughout whole year. Hope you have improved your trading as well throughout whole year. And trust me guys, that is everything here was free with my analysis to provide you the right education without forcing you to buy the courses. But courses are something you need to consider if you trust someone, if you know someone, if you have seen someone's proven results, performances, then it decreases your learning curve. If you're someone who's already profitable trader, make sure hit the like button, subscribe so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. Have an awesome year ahead. See you in the next one.